ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning technique. You can make lots of money in a short time if you know how to use the chatbot. Hundreds of dollars per day is very easy to reach. Even most people claim to get hundreds of thousands of dollars with ChatGPT. There are several ways you can use ChatGPT to make money, such as content generation. You can use ChatGPT to generate unique and high-quality content for your blog, website, or social media platforms. Chatbot development. You can use ChatGPT to train a chatbot that can help businesses with customer service, sales, or lead generation. Language translation. You can use ChatGPT to train a model that can translate text from one language to another, which can be a valuable service for businesses or individuals. Research and data analysis. You can use ChatGPT to help with research and data analysis tasks, such as summarizing large amounts of text data. Educational content. You can use ChatGPT to generate educational content like interactive tutorials, quizzes, and flashcards. Thank you.